In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Freshsales in Salesforce using Zapier. If you're trying to streamline your sales processes and make life a bit easier, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to open your browser and head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is an amazing tool that helps different web applications talk to each other seamlessly. No coding skills are required, as it allows you to automate workflows by connecting your apps and services. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll want to log in to your account. A quick tip: if you don't already have an account, signing up is simple and can be completed by following on-screen instructions. After logging in, the next step is to create a new Zap. In Zapier lingo, a Zap is simply an automated workflow between your chosen apps. To create your Zap, just look for the button that says Make a Zap or something similar. Now, for the crucial part, setting up the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts off your automated workflow. For our specific task today, you'll want to select Freshsales Suite as your trigger app. Freshsales is a fantastic CRM tool that captures your customer interactions in one place. Choose a trigger event like Account Updated. This means that whenever an account gets updated in Freshsales, it will trigger this Zap. Make sure to connect your Freshsales account, following the authentication steps on screen, to ensure Zapier can access and automate your data. The next step is selecting an action app. For this workflow, you'll be using Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful platform that offers customer relationship management software. Choose an action event like Add Contact to Campaign. This means after an update in Freshsales triggers the Zap, it will automatically add a contact to a specified campaign in Salesforce. Again, make sure to connect your Salesforce account, allowing Zapier to integrate smoothly with your data. Once these steps are complete, click Continue. Now you'll map the data between Freshsales and Salesforce. This process ensures that the right information is transferred correctly between the two platforms. It's a good practice to test your Zap before making it live. Zapier provides tools to do a test run, so utilize them to make sure everything runs smoothly without errors. When you're satisfied with the test results, go ahead and publish your Zap. And there you have it. Now you have an automated workflow that connects Freshsales with Salesforce, bringing you smooth operations and saving you the hassle of manual data entry. Thank you for watching, and happy automating. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below.